brother? Got a hog. Yeah. Just got a little fuel. What is up, boys? Welcome back to another freaking video. We just linked up with the boy Juan back there. We're headed out right now just for a chill ride. Woo! Don't gotta do nothing too crazy today. It's traffic's kind of wild right now, honestly. If you guys are new to the channel, I did just pick up this 25 S1000RR. Now we are currently sitting at 140 freaking miles, dude. We need to get to at least 500 to take it in for its break-in service and get some headers thrown on this thing. I'm gonna go hit up the canyon up here though. What's up, brother? Oh, I can't wait to have headers, bro. It sounds so good. That'll be the same setup I have too, because he has the Acra headers and the stock Acra can, the carbon can on there, so that'll be the same setup I have. But boys, I am absolutely loving this freaking bike, man. I'm just itching for this break-in to be done though, so we can just start ripping. But yeah, that's Juan's. I think it's a 23 or 24 M package. That thing's all decked out. He's got the whole carbon pack. Now, the one thing I do miss about the 24 though is it was the carbon pack, like the full carbon pack, which is what Juan has. He has like the chain guard, the front hugger, the rear hugger, the little like side plastics right there. It's all carbon. And on this 25, all we have is the front hugger that's carbon. So we're gonna be spending some money on carbon soon, but that's okay. I think homeboy got new boots too. Those are good. Some Alpine Stars. He's like, thanks. Yo, my butt is cooking, bro. I can just feel the sun beaming on my crack. Little limp dick. But as you guys probably heard if you watched the last video, the brand new 25 S1000 was in a little incident. Well, boys, not even 30 freaking miles on this thing, and we just got hit. I go to pull out right here, and it's all like congested and stuff, and freaking Tesla rolls up on me, doesn't even see me, and just bumps the side of the bike. And then right after me and him pull over there at Harbor Freight, it starts just freaking downpouring, and then had to pull in here. I've been chilling here for like an hour while the roads clear up, dude. This is literally the first day taking the bike out just to get break-in miles. It's a humbling experience, man. One of the first rides out on this thing, I was going to just get a little bit of break-in miles done. I think we're sitting at like 28 miles or something when this happened. So literally first ride out. I'm just out cruising alone, and of course this is the one time where I didn't have my GoPro on me, like I wasn't filming. I just wanted to go out and get some break-in miles done. So I'm sitting at Chevron getting a drink, and I see a couple raindrops coming. I'm like, okay, I should probably get out of here. I really don't want to ride this brand new bike in the rain, so I kind of rush, put my stuff on. The second I pull out of Chevron, I'm sitting at the intersection, and I was going straight, but I was going to make my way over to the right turn lane. And as I like peek out into that lane, and as I'm like peeking into that lane, I kid you not, this Tesla comes whipping around. And I saw him ahead of time, so I didn't keep like pulling out. And I just started revving my bike. I hit my horn a couple times. I don't know if he was on his phone or what, but he looked up last second right before he got to me. Just barely grazes the right winglet. Like not even enough to like actually dig up the paint on the winglet, but just enough so you could see like something rubbed it. If he was like a half an inch closer to me, that probably would have broken the winglet off, probably would have knocked me over. Like I didn't go down at all. I didn't even really like feel the impact. I kind of more just like saw it and heard it a little bit. Like I'll put a picture up of the damage right here. I am just so freaking grateful it wasn't worse. I'm super bummed because it was a brand new bike. Taking it out on the first ride, and it's like having an incident like that, it's like really. But I'm just really grateful the damage wasn't worse. It didn't knock me over, it didn't break anything. that was honestly best case scenario for something like that. I'm just glad he looked up when he did, and he wasn't like, I was tripping at first. I'm like, no, dude, my new bike. But looking at like the damage is really not that bad. It's a little scratch on the winglet, which sucks, but I mean, it is what it is. This is the game we're playing. That can happen any second of any day, and it's a hard pill for me to swallow, because I've literally never been in a motorcycle accident like with traffic, knock on wood, but I mean, I've looped plenty of times on the Grom doing like, you know, stunting and stuff, but I never had that kind of incident with any other like traffic or cars or anything, and it's just insanely hard pill for me to swallow, because I'm just like, that's not me. Like, I'm so cautious all the time. I honestly like was embarrassed for myself that happened, because I'm like, this is just, I'm usually such a cautious rider, and I see these people getting in wrecks and stuff, and I'm just thinking like, oh, I'd never do that. I'm smart enough not to do that. But it's just an insane eye-opener that I'm not invincible on these machines, or in traffic, or in public at all. But it was just a huge eye-opener, because that could have been so freaking bad. I could have knocked this bike over, brand new bike, could have knocked it over. He could have actually, like, you know, hit me. But I think that was just such a humbling moment, just showing me like, you are not invincible on this. And it just, I don't know, man, it really humbled me, and it really just shows you like, this is not a freaking joke, dude. I went out feeling good, brand new bike, gonna go break it in, whatever. And that could have been it right there. It's just so insane to think. That was a freaking deer. See, that's what I'm talking about. A deer just ran right across. If we were a few seconds like further up, that deer could have hit us. Like, I really think that incident needed to happen to show me like, I am not invincible on this bike, you know? So I'm still gonna ride how I ride, and, you know, do what I love to do. Or is that the same one? It might be the same one. Man, I forget this view is up here. So crazy. Those deer scared the crap out of me, dude. But yeah, bro, it's a crappy situation for sure. I'm just glad nothing actually happened to the bike. It was just a tiny little scratch on the winglet. Honestly, I couldn't really ask for a better outcome with something like that, so. And it wasn't a hard hit by any means. I'm really overreacting, but at the same time, a car is never supposed to come in contact with your bike at all. But I can't let it crush my spirits, man. The bike is 100% fine, other than that tiny scratch, which you can't even see unless I point it out and show you where it's at. Oh, yo! That was an M1K, bro. What the heck? Dude, these fires are killing my lungs, bro. Yo, it is popping up here. I'm about to go jump in the freaking lake, bro.